Hello guys, and this is AB Creative Drawing. My name is Andrew, and we are here to draw something really cool today. So like I said, if you are first time basically coming to this channel, my name is Andrew. This is AB Creative Drawing. This is my YouTube channel, and this is where I love to display my passion for drawing, and hopefully draw some stuff that hopefully you can relate to, use, where you're able to basically take some notes or take some ideas of trying to draw something yourself. So say if you're like an aspiring artist and you haven't drawn in a while, or you're basically maybe an artist that's just trying to get back into the practice, that's what this kind of video is for. It's for people like yourself. So we're gonna draw basically my chair with some clothes on the bedside of my bed, and then we're also going to draw basically kind of like an exercise bicycle machine. So we're going to start that now. So basically you just want to start off really kind of as light as possible. Sorry if the camera's a bit blurry, but that's the camera that we're using for the meantime. So we're just drawing the side of the bed. And we're actually drawing this actually on my bed, but hey, we're gonna get it going, we're gonna get it shaking, and that's the core thing, is we're gonna start, and it's the same thing for you. You can start wherever you're at, whether if you're sleeping on a sofa or you're sleeping somewhere or something like that, whatever environment you're in. If you've got a pad, pencil, pen, whatever it is you're using, I'm using a biro pen. Whatever you want to draw or use to draw your surroundings, you can do that. Remember, there's no perfect way to do it. There's just the way to do it. And that's the best way you want. You want to navigate a way to do whatever it is you're trying to do. So we've done the bed. And now we're going to do the bicycle machine. My room's a little cramped. But there's a little old bicycle machine I've got. Try to keep in shape, you try. We're going to sketch that. If the light does go off, people, out of the camera, hopefully you can still see. But we're going to keep it going, and hopefully you can. So basically, as you can see, I'm just starting off a light. This is basically the seat of the bicycle seat. The bed is obviously where it is, so this is just over the rail of that bed. And basically this is a chair with some clothes on it. So I'm drawing the chair with the clothes on it. And this is the chair kind of seat as well that's here. And this is the clothes that's on that chair. So we're just gonna sketch that chair a little bit more. As I said, I'm just kind of drawing on my bed. Just wanted to challenge myself a bit. Yesterday I was on the table, but today I said, let me try and draw on this bed. Let me see if I can do something from my surrounding where I am. And like I said, you can do the same. I'm not trying to create a perfect picture or anything like that. No, I'm just using my surroundings wherever I'm at. If you're in a hotel, or if you're somewhere, do you know what? Yeah, just draw something there. Why not? Your eyes are as good as anyone else's eyes, And if you've got the will to try, absolutely you should try. Why not? You're not trying to create the perfect picture. You're trying to draw what you see to the best of your ability. That's it. That's it. Drawing is just like going to the gym. If I don't know if you're a gym goer. I go to the gym every now and then, maybe more than I should. But I understand that when I go to the gym, you see a lot of people working out on the weights and things like that. So we're just drawing the... And now we've done the bicycle thing. That's the seat. That is basically the seat. That's the piece of clothes that's there. And now we're sketching. There's a shelf that was in my room that broke. We had a builder guy that was going to come, that came over and put 2 shelves. And where I actually placed it in my room to put the shelves, it wasn't a good location in my room, so I had to put this next to the actual bookcase. And then this is basically where the bookcase is, pretty much. So hopefully you guys can see that. This is the bookcase, this is the shelf next to it. It looks a little bit abstract because it's just a mixture of things that are just pretty much in my line of vision. I just kind of wanted to show that, hey, if you're someone that's looking to kind of get into art or drawing, you don't have to draw something that is so complicated or out of this world. You can draw something that is right in front of you. And this is literally right in front of me. So, like I said, there's no excuse not to try. You're as good as anyone else. And why? As long as you got a way to pick up that pen, whether it's your hand or whether if you've got a mouth or whatever it is that you use to pick up the pen, and you've got the will and desire to pick up the pen and you want to try and draw something, absolutely, you go ahead and draw something. We're not looking to draw perfect pictures here. We're looking to basically put an effort here, put a shift in here to basically, do something, innovative and special to our ability and improve on that, and what we see. Okay, so this is the shelf. This is my art board that's in the corner of the room, and with some items next to the art board. And the shelf, this line here, is the shelf. We might add some felt tip after, if I can find the felt tip. But now we'll go back to the clothes. This is basically my curtain. It's like a sheet near the curtain. So we'll use this felt tip now, instead of the felt tip, to outline. Okay, so I know this is a little bit abstract, but basically I'm just adding some shadows to everything. It's a composition of, you know, my bed is here. I hope you guys can see that. This is like my bed. You know, trying to add some definition in line. And this is like kind of a curtain behind, but it's not like a curtain, it's like a bed sheet. It's kind of like a window ledge that's here. And again, we're not comparing ourselves to anybody. No, we're here to put the effort. We're here to put the effort. You know, there are going to be some days that I'll do a little bit depending on the time I've got. But the bottom line is, I want to practice. I want to get better. I want you to get better with me. To whatever ability you're at, you can do this. You don't have to compare yourself to the people that you like. It's great to have people that you admire, but no, you are just as important as anyone else. You can do this. Okay? So this is the bed. I just shade this. This is the chair. This is the bed. This is the exercise bike machine. I'm going to take a photograph so you can at least see basically what I was actually copying, because without the photograph it just looks like actual shapes, I know. But you know, and this was a very quick little sketch. I just wanted to show that I could do something. And there you go. This is my exercise bike machine. This is, you know, stretching a little bit there. I think next time I'll need to put like a little definition with some felt tip pens. It's probably not so easy to see, but I don't have any definition with other felt tip pens that I can see. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah. So this is it. This is the picture. I'm gonna put a photograph with this picture because I know it's a little bit abstract, but this was a little sketch I did. Basically, this is the bicycle machine, exercise machine. This is the bed. It's through the bed, and then, you know, the exercise machine goes from here, and then also you've got obviously my the shelf, my artboard, and basically bookshelf. And I was a little bit abstract, and also at the back you also have my kind of curtain. It's like a sheet because I haven't put my curtain up because I just haven't at the time. So this was just an observation of what was in front of my eyes. And like I said, you know, my whole goal wasn't to create a perfect image, but it was just to put some practice in. And listen, you guys can do the same. You know, there's a ton of great artists out here on the YouTube, out here in the world. And, you know, this imposter syndrome thing for you to compare yourself to someone great or whatever, no. You know, of course, part of me wants to do a lot better, but I'm going to be back here another time and time again to improve and to get better within my skill. And I hope that you can take from this whatever you've seen. You know, start off light and just draw, you know, sketch, you know, as much as you can as possible. Learn from other people, but don't be afraid to start. You know, do I, you know, part of me wish like, yeah, you know, I could probably do this a little bit better. Yeah, but I'm going to get better with time, and you can do the same too. If you guys have got any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to hit in the comments, thumbs down below. I love you guys. You guys are really great. I hope you get something out of this. If you've got any comments, questions below, subscribe, and I will see you on the next channel. Peace. You guys take care.